So there, also in lesson 6, we are going to use transitive verbs, no? And what is transitive verb, no? These are the verbs that require objects, no? So, before we start yung paggagawa natin ng sentence or pag-construct natin ng sample sentences, let us try to look into some of the verbs that we are going to use in our samples. So the first one, this is to buy. And in Japanese, it is kaimasu. Kaimasu, kaimasu. To eat is tabemasu. To drink naman is nomimasu. And to listen is kikimasu. To take a photo is torimasu. To look, to see, to watch is mimasu. To read is yomimasu. And of course, suimasu, to smoke. So these are the few verbs, no, that we can use in our sentence pattern today. So we have kaimas, tabemas, nomimas, kikimas, torimas, mimas, yomimas, and suimas. So as you can see, these verbs require an object for them to be able na makapag-construct ka, for you to be able to construct sample sentences. Ay, meron pa palang isa. Kakimas is to write naman. Okay. So, it's up to you kung paano nyo siya marirecall. Okay. Now, let's talk about the grammar part. So, for the transitive verb, kailangan natin ng o particle to mark the object. So, kaya ang tawag natin dito is object marker. Any word before it is the object of your sentence. So, o is used to indicate the direct object of a transitive verb. So, mind you, transitive verb lang. So, hindi siya pwede sa intransitive verb na walang object. So, ito, transitive verb. So, kailangan natin ng object o and then the verb. Now, to give you an example, how do you say I write a report? That could be repoto kakimas. Repoto is the object. So, paano mo malalaman na object siya? If it answers the question what? Halimbawa, kakimas is to write. So, ano ang isinulat? Repoto. So, ibig sabihin, yun yung object niya. Second one is I buy juice. Let's read. Jusu o kaimas. So ano ang binili or ano ang bibilihin? Jusu. So it answers the question what, kaya o particle yan. Next, I am making a video. Video o shimas. By the way, shimas is to do. No? It's a to-do verb. No? So pag idinikit mo siya dyan sa isang object, so ibig sabihin ginagawa mo yung object na yon. Okay, so video o shimas can be used sa recording a video or making a video. Okay? So lahat yan, object. Now, sample tayo. So, these are 1 to 10 are sample of objects. So, tingnan natin ano ba ang mga appropriate na verb para sa kanila. Yung appropriate. So, halimbawa, sakanao and sakana is fish. Sakanao, yes, we can say sakanao tabimas. Shukuday o, ano ba ginagawa mo shukuday? Shimas. Eiga o, movie. Okay, pwedeng mimas. Eiga o, mimas. Tabako o, yes, suimas. Tegami o kakimas. To write a letter. Shidi o kikimas. Tennis o shimas. Playing tennis yan. Pagka sports plus shimas. Ohanami o mimas. Biru o nomimas. Asagohan o tabemas. So kung mapapansin nyo lahat siya is answer the question, what? Ano ba? So pagka ganon, o particle ang gagamitin nyo. That's how we mark the object. So tandaan. Okay. Now let's talk about the noun o shimas. So meron tayong gamit, no? Shimas means that the action denoted by the noun is performed, ginagawa. So noun o shimas, una kapag ikaw ay maglalaro ng sports or games, like saka o shimas, you're playing soccer, tennis o shimas, you're playing tennis. So kapag idinikit mo ang shimas sa sports, ibig sabihin you're doing you're playing or doing the sports or games. So both can be indoor and outdoor games.例えば, chess o shimas, you are doing chess. Aside from playing sports, kapag nag-hold ka ng gatherings, like party o shimas, you are doing party or you're partying. Or kaigi o shimas, you are having meeting. Okay? And then number 3, to do something. To do something, anything na nakanoun ka. Halimbawa, shukuday o shimas, you are doing your homework. Shigoto o shimas, you are working. So itong tatlong to, playing sports, hold gatherings, or doing something, ang pwede mong dikitan ng shimas. So ang shimas is a very powerful verb kasi pinapagalaw niya. Tineturn niya into verbs yung ating mga nouns. So I hope it's clear. Okay, so how do we use shimas or how do we as something doing, no, ganyan, in Japanese? So we'll be using the nani, which is what. Now, if you're going to look at the sample, ashita nani o shimasu ka? Ashita tomorrow, nani is what, and then shimas is do. So, gagawin, ano, bukas. So, this is basically asking, ano ang gagawin mo bukas, di ba? Ashita nani o shimasu ka? Ano nga ba, no? So halimbawa, gusto ko magsulat ng hiragana. Hiragana o kakimas. Hiragana o kakimas. Okay. So pwede rin siya ng past tense, no? Kino, nani o shimashita ka? Shimashita ka, did. Nani, ano, kahapon. So anong ginawa mo kahapon? Now, if you're going to answer such question na past tense, dapat naka-past tense din ang iyong sagot. Tatoeba, terebi o mimashita. I watch television. There. Nichiyobi nani o shimasu ka? Now, this question, how will you know kung ito ay present or past? No? Madali lang naman kasi nichiyobi is Sunday and shimasu is in present or future. So more or less, ang nichiyobi na to will be next Sunday or a regular Sunday. Ibig sabihin, anong ginagawa mo kapag linggo? Okay, so nichiyobi nani o shimasu ka? Of course, you can answer it this way. Ako, tomodachi ni aimasu. I will meet a friend. Ngayon, kung mapapansin nyo, ang aimas, kakaiba sa dalawa, kakimas and mimashita. Bakit ni ang particle niya? Okay, so papaliwanag ko. Ang aimas kasi, kapag idinikit mo yan sa tao, ang fixed particle niya ay ni. Hindi mo kasi siya object. Hindi, it will not answer, di ba yung o particle, it answers the question what? Ano ang sinulat, hiragana? Ano ang pinanood, terebi? Ito, ano ang kinita? Or ano ang kikitain? Hindi pwede, di ba? So that's why, ni particle is fixed for imas kung tao ito. So imimit mo siya. So there, so para hindi kayo malito. Now, this would be our practice. So pwede nyo itong sagutin. Number 1, kurisumasu ni nani yoshimasu ka? What will you do on Christmas? Valentine ni nani yoshimasu ka? What will you do on Valentine's Day? Tanjobi ni nani yoshimasu ka? What will you do on your birthday? Juniji ni nani yoshimasu ka? What will you do in 12 o'clock or at 12 o'clock? And yasumi ni nani yoshimashita ka? So what did you do on your rest day? Okay? So pwede nyo siyang sagutin and you can post your answers below.